And for some persons, the song that would have been ringing in their heart that day would Valentine is here, or Valentine has come, or Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home, lonely. I know you know this song. Hmm. Why? Why should that even go on in your mind at all? Come on. Listen, you do not need to pity yourself or feel left out for once. Hey gift lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my world of thoughtful gifting where I inspire your every gifting moment. I'm super glad to have you here. I'm Faith, the giftpreneur, and we are diving into this right now. Okay, so today we will be discussing something very crucial, very important. Like the topic already say, I'm sure you already have a clue of what we are talking, but get set because you are not prepared for this. All right, Valentine's Day. It has come and it has gone. Yes, thank God. And then the question now is, what actually is next? A very quick recap. That Valentine's Day, in fact, for me personally, I was busy. I was just at work and then doing the Lord's work, of course, because it is another opportunity to reach out to the young people. So we were actually reaching out to students in schools on that very Friday. But I don't know about you. I wonder what you were doing. Were you just sitting back and pitying yourself, or you were just like looking, am I a spoon? Oh God, am I a potato? Come on, you are not a spoon, you're not a potato. In fact, I think the mistake you made was to sit back and you're looking at the social media, you're looking at one social media or the other, you're seeing people that are receiving flowers, chocolate. Oh my God. You don't need to be, in fact, listen, you do not need to pity yourself or feel left out for once. I understand that we are humans, we want to be loved. But look, the ultimate love of all is God, is the love that Jesus Christ has expressed for us. I'm not here to preach to you, but this is the truth. If you know this, you will know peace. That's the truth. So in addition to what we will talk about today, I just needed to chip this in. You are much more worth than any flowers or chocolate. Now, this is not to undermine that it is not bad in itself. No, it is not bad to express your love to your loved one. No, not at all. It is actually the motive behind what you're doing. Are you doing this to take them back, in kind, or one way or the other? Or are you really sincerely from the depth of your heart expressing your love? So that is the question. The motive behind what you're doing is what matters. So this is not to say it is bad or good. No, it is not. I am talking about you. I'm talking about your mindset. I'm talking about how you're seeing this. How are you seeing this? From which angle? Are you seeing yourself as being, worth it? Love in the air, yes, but that I'm very of great value. You don't see yourself as spoon or potato. Or maybe nobody is saying I love you to you or giving you gifts. That means you are now undermining your worth. Please don't ever do that. You are worth it. You are of great value. You are special. You are unique. You are what the Lord says you are. Listen, I don't want you to forget yourself in this equation. Listen, you need to be before you become. You want to become anything you desire to be, because I know you desire the good and the best for yourself. Listen, you first need to be before you become. You want to become a wife, a husband, a relationship partner. You want to become great. You want to become this or that. You need to first be. You need to be fine. You need to be all right. You need to see you need to be valuable. You need to see your self-worth before you can become. This is why you shouldn't take this for granted. Let's flip the script for a second. Imagine you are taking yourself on a treat, you're relaxing, you are recharging. Imagine you are giving yourself the very best you deserve. You imagine you are putting smart and hard work to becoming better. Just imagine this. You are living your best life. Don't you think you will function even much more properly? Don't you think you will function at your very best? This is why I would be sharing 3 essential tips. I'll be sharing 3 self-care tips you do not want to miss out. Tip number 1, take out time to treat yourself. Take yourself out. Go on a date with yourself. Take out time to relax. You can decide to just take out time to relax and recharge. It is not a crime to block out time just for your relaxation. You don't have to take that for granted or overlook that. And when you see some free time that you would have used to relax, you decide to put an agenda there or schedule a meeting there or schedule work for that time. It is not bad. It's not a sin. It is not a bad thing to block out time just for your relaxation. You can actually say no just because you need time to relax. It's as important as that. And during this relaxation period, it is a time for you to recharge, to become better. Sometimes you need to take a retreat, to come back much more better, bigger and better, so that you can actually function well. This is something you will later thank you for when you start applying it. Tip number 2, make up your mind to really become. I believe that the best revenge you can give back to life for treating you in an unpleasant way, if you've ever experienced such, which I know you have, because many times life can be very unpleasant. So the best revenge you can give back to life is to really become that greatness you've always dreamed of. What does that mean? It entails that you have to put in more work. You have to do more work, more smarter work, more hard work. You will not be feeling reluctant or be lazing around. No. So make up your mind to really become. Put in the work. And this is one way. Remember that this is one way you are showing yourself that love that you deserve. You are not doing this for anybody. You are doing this for yourself. You are doing this for your future, so that opportunities will not meet you unprepared. You see, so make up your mind to really, really become, so that when that opportunity you've always dreamed of, when it comes, it will not catch you or meet you. It will not meet you unprepared. You don't want that. You don't want that. In fact, that's the worst thing that can ever happen to anybody. Tip number 3, please don't compare. Do not compare yourself with anybody. This is your race. This is your journey. It is yours, and you are unique in your own way. Your journey is far, far different from that of that other person you're comparing yourself to. The best gift you can give yourself is never compare yourself with another. Just make sure you are focused on your own journey. You can learn from them 1 or 2 things. You can learn from their journey. You can, pick up one point or the other, but do not compare yourself with another. That this person has this, I don't have it. Oh, this person is receiving flowers, I'm not receiving. Please don't do that. You are doing yourself no good. Do remember that self-love is not selfish, and it starts with you. Thank you so much for staying till this point. Thank you again for watching. I would like to know which of these tips is your favorite. Which of them is your favorite? Please comment down below. Please subscribe if you're yet to do that, because you do not want to miss out on amazing content that is coming your way. And make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when they drop new videos. Thank you again. I'm Faith, your giftpreneur.